Today's ThunderTix tutorial covers how to scan tickets using USB-connected barcode scanners. Barcode scanning is an important time-saving technique that makes your guest check-in process more efficient. For your convenience, ThunderTix offers a rental or purchase of USB-connected barcode scanners from the Hardware tab of your ThunderTix account. First, decide whether you want a one-dimensional barcode scanner or a two-dimensional barcode scanner. The one-dimensional barcode scanner is limited to scanning paper tickets, while the two-dimensional barcode scanner can scan both paper and electronic tickets displayed from a smartphone. Once you have acquired your USB-connected barcode scanner, go ahead and plug it directly into the USB port on the computer of your choice. Next, log into the ThunderTix website and navigate your way to the Scan tab. Here you have several options. You can either select one single event, or you can have the option to scan multiple events at once. Let's say we wanted to start checking people in for a single event. We would just need to click here and then select the specific time of the event that we are scanning. Now all we have to do is scan a barcode off of a ticket or phone, and ThunderTix will check in the attendee for the event, record the time of the scan, and which of your staff members scanned the ticket. Immediately upon scanning a ticket, you'll see a large success message indicating a valid scan, or you'll be alerted to invalid or duplicate tickets. If you run into any trouble physically scanning a barcode, for example, if a paper ticket is damaged or a user cannot retrieve their confirmation email, you can use another method to check in attendees. For example, you can type in the attendee's barcode ID manually and click Scan to get the same results. Or, type in the customer's last name or order ID and click Look Up. This will display whether the customer has valid tickets and if they have been previously scanned. Achieve the same results as scanning by clicking on the barcode IDs. It's just that easy. Lastly, consider renting or purchasing a Gooseneck scanner stand from ThunderTix for a more hands-free and comfortable experience. Alright, congratulations! You've successfully learned how to check in guests with a USB-connected barcode scanner. These scanners should work with any device that is connected to the internet and has a USB port, or a mini USB port with an adapter. That means you can be completely mobile with a USB scanner pistol connected to a small tablet. Don't forget, you can also scan barcodes from your phone by downloading the ThunderTix app. If you have any more questions, check out our how-to guides and visit our support forum. Thank you for watching.